Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 20 minus 20 times 10 divide 20. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and start it. So here we have subtraction, multiplication, division. So according to PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to division, then multiplication, then subtraction. So 20 minus 20 times 10 divide 20. So we can cancel out the 0 with 0. So 20 minus 20 times 1 by 2. So 20 minus 20 times 1 is 20 by 2. So 20 minus 20 by 2 is 10. And 20 minus 10 is 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.